Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Sagittarius. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies and for your love energies, guys. So these cards will relate to your work situation or your relationship. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So we'll open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. And one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. We'll open the cards as we proceed into the reading, Sagittarius. So for your daily energies, Nine of Cups in reverse, Knight of Cups in reverse, Nine of Pentacles in reverse. With these cards, Sagittarius, the energy is that, guys, in your work situation, you are really fortunate. Things are going in a very good way. Things are heading towards success. Your projects or your business collaborations, whatever it is, you are making profits. That is what I see here. And maybe that may be the reason that some people are coming towards you to involve you in some kind of fraudulent activities, some fraudulent financial schemes, or something to trick you, to swindle your money. So you need to be careful about all that, guys. So you need to be aware of the people and their motives. And sometimes the people you have trust on, they cannot be trusted. So you need to be really aware of your situation and aware of the people's motives, whoever are there in your life. That is what I see here with these cards. Let us see what are these cards. Bear, child, tree. So maybe you are in a phase in your life where you are structuring your life. You are building that strong foundation in your business or in your personal life. In this relationship with this person, you are working towards that deep strong commitment with this person, and you are having that childlike energy in your relationship, guys. You are having fun. You are spending lot of time with them, enjoying your day with them. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be taking counsel from some people, your elders or siblings. They may be trying to counsel you, giving you suggestions on how to avoid some failures in your life regarding your work situation, financial investments, or your relationship. But you should be very careful with them also, guys, because we see here that somebody is trying to scheme against you. So you have to be really careful with financial investments, whatever you are planning to make. You have to be clearly aware of the results. Only then you should go for it. That is what I see here. So what is the oracle's guidance for you all? Chop wood. So with this card, guys, the meaning is that instead of going on dreaming whatever you want to achieve in life, you should uh, think about the mundane things, what you need to do every day. So when you keep doing your everyday activities, you will be releasing that attachment you have regarding your goals, whatever you have. And instead of dreaming those big dreams, you can go for that small simple daily activities. So when you do that, you will change your state of awareness, and you will be able to receive that abundance when that is coming towards you. So some kind of fortune when that is coming towards you, you will be able to enjoy that fully, guys. That is what I see here, and it is a time for you to feel that humility and groundedness. So you have to do what you have to do right now, and give up that dreaming and just talking for about your dreams and get into action. So when you get into action, you can make it happen. So that is the card here, guys. So that is the oracle's message for you all. So when you take that necessary efforts, whatever you need to take, instead of just dreaming and thinking and talking about those goals, you will make things happen. So even in your work or in your relationship, guys, that is what the oracle's guidance for us, Sagittarius, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. Bye, Sagittarius.